I recently was approached by a person who could not decide what to do in his life, how to choose this way or this way of action. And he's literally paralyzed because his indecision is really harming his ability to going forward in life. So this video I want to shortly explain how to conquer indecisiveness and become a decisive machine. And it works really simple, because in reality you need to understand one important thing, that we human beings learn only by doing and experimenting in life and sometimes failing. When we fail, what in reality it is, it's not a fail, it's a learning experience. It all depends how you frame it. Because if you frame it like it is a learning experience, it will be something good, because you make some action, you learn something, and then you can adjust your actions in the next time, and in the next time you can behave smarter and make a better decision. But most people think in another way, that if something I'm doing doesn't work, then in this way I'm creating a mistake and I'm a failure. And if I'm a failure in this way, I'm not a good person and I doesn't deserve this, or I'm not good enough, or I'm bad, or something like that. And they feel like it's an internal pain. So when you face some indecision and you don't know how to implement it in your life or not, you need to understand that we human beings sometimes wrong. But if you don't try, how you will know if it works or not? If you will not make a step, how you will know if it is a good choice or not a good choice? So here is a simple way how to cure indecision. When you face a choice and don't know what to choose, this right or left, make some choice. Make some choice that you believe is good for you. And then you have two options. The first option, it will be good for you and you will have a good choice and you will get your results. And the second option, you will learn something from this. But if you don't choose anything and will be indecisive, then this will create anxiety, paralysis. It will create overwhelm and negative thoughts about what to do in life and how to choose. And this will create a wall. You will face the wall. That's why many people, not most, but many people are indecisive, don't know what path in life to take. And this harms them and creates an anxiety, overwhelm, negative thoughts, and so on and so forth. So the easy way is to make this choice and see what will be the result of your decision. If it's good, then you made a good choice. And if it's not good, it's not your fault. You does not need to feel like you are a bad human being. You're not a bad human being. You just make some false choice, like every one of us do, like I do all the time. But when I do wrong choices, I learn and I experiment and make better choices the next time. And the same way you need to do yourself. That's easy peasy, right? My name is Alex Decisive. I create content for creators, entrepreneurs on tools for better thinking and performance. Subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Smash the like button. Also share this video with some person that wants to be more decisive. And I'll see you in the next videos. Also, there is a free resources that you can download completely for free. Links in the description about book for journaling for personal growth, and also a guide on conquering procrastination. You can get this guide for free also, and it will be delivered to your email. I'll see you in the next video. Alex Decisive with you, and bye.